Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. We are now knee-deep into a very small pizza ordering application. You've got an error. We have an error here. There's no way, right-clicking, there's no way for me to pass this error over to GitHub Copilot. So it's a lot of copy pasta. So copy that, and I select all of this, and then I type in fix, and then pass the error. And now it's going to generate some code here for me. And once I get the application basically running, then I'm going to save it as a different main.py. All right, so this should resolve the name error. So Control A, Control C, Control V should wipe it all out. Did not. Control V. Ooh. Add session here. Okay, session has been added. All right. Control S. Now I refresh or restart the app. Main.py. No module named Uvicorn. So I need to install Uvicorn. So let's stop that. And I'll check my README. Here's my README. Control C, Control V. I am using a virtual environment. And away we go with Uvicorn, successfully installed, Colorama as well. So I don't need that. I'm not even sure what that is. And now we go back to our main.py, run, start debugging. Now, in all of these instances, neither GitHub Copilot or GPT4 picked up that Uvicorn was not installed or was not included in the requirements, which makes me wonder if I can, or how to add multiple files to the awareness of GitHub Copilot. Open session in editor, history. Let's say explain how to add multiple files to Copilot awareness. I don't like that, but I'm going to use it. Okay, so it's saying that I can't say, look at main, look at README, and look at requirements, which is an obvious need. But let's move on and see if our web page works, and we'll see what happens. Open, not secure, that's fine. Yeah, address invalid. I'm not surprised by that. So let's go ahead and fix that. 127.0.0.1. That makes more sense to me. I don't know about you. We stop that. And now let's run it again. Now let's give it a shot. All right, detail not found. Yes, we have made progress. All right, thanks for watching and happy computing.